Welcome to Fastlane Tech Training, where we simplify tech and sharpen your skills. Today, we're diving into the world of Ethereum development and how you can kickstart your career in this rapidly growing field. If you're a tech enthusiast looking to break into the world of blockchain and cryptocurrency, then Ethereum development may just be your ticket. With its versatile smart contract capabilities and widespread adoption, the demand for skilled Ethereum developers is on the rise. So, what exactly does an Ethereum developer do? Well, they are responsible for building and maintaining decentralized applications, dApps, on the Ethereum blockchain. This involves writing code in Solidity, the programming language used for smart contracts, and constantly learning and adapting to the ever-evolving blockchain technology. Now, let's talk about the skills you'll need to become a successful Ethereum developer. Of course, a strong understanding of programming languages, such as Solidity, JavaScript, and Python, is a must. But you'll also need a deep understanding of blockchain technology and its principles, as well as an aptitude for problem-solving and critical thinking. But it's not just technical skills that will set you apart. Soft skills such as communication, teamwork, and adaptability are also crucial in this fast-paced and collaborative industry. And don't forget the importance of staying updated with the latest developments and trends in the Ethereum community. Now, you may be wondering, are there any certifications or courses that can help you stand out as an Ethereum developer? The answer is yes. There are various online courses and certifications available that can provide you with the knowledge and skills needed to excel in this field. Some popular options include the Certified Blockchain Developer Ethereum (CBDE) certification and the Ethereum Developer Masterclass. But don't just take our word for it. Many companies and startups are actively looking for certified Ethereum developers, making these certifications a valuable addition to your resume. So, to sum it up, to start a career in Ethereum development, you'll need a combination of technical and soft skills, a deep understanding of blockchain technology, and a certification to boost your credibility in the industry. Ready to take the first step towards becoming an Ethereum developer? Fastlane is here to help. Check out our website for a wide range of tech training programs, including courses on Ethereum development, and take your skills to the next level. This clip is brought to you by Fastlane, your global IT training partner. Subscribe for more. Thank you for watching.